Hello YouTube, it's me Curtis, the producer, and welcome back to another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. On today's menu, we are making chicken sandwiches. But first, all you got to do is click that subscribe button. I need you to comment, I need you to like, I need you to share this right now. You gotta do it. I don't know why you're still looking at me. You should have been doing it. Okay. Now, as I was saying, on today's menu, we are making chicken sandwiches. But I'm not making it. Today, my big brother, Marcellus, came back from college.
How y'all doing? My name is Marcellus. I am a current student at Texas Lutheran University, and I'm also a member of the Texas Lutheran football team. And today, I'll be preparing a JBR chicken sandwich. For those who do not know what a JBR chicken sandwich is, a chicken is basically like a BLT, but take away all the lettuce and tomatoes. It'll be chicken, fried chicken at that. It'll be mozzarella cheese, and it will be ranch and bacon as well. Now this recipe actually comes from my job at Texas Lutheran University. So shout out to them, shout out to everybody at the Wild Cafe. I love y'all. All right, now let's get cooking. All right, you guys. So as you can see in this pan, in this strainer right here, excuse me, I have already cut the chicken breasts into thin slices. And after we rinse them, we'll season them. Just a little bit though, not too much, because we have a seasoned batter and we have a wet batter, so we don't want to overpower it a little too much. Anyway, so we're cutting this last piece real quick, just real thin, and we're actually gonna pound them. We're actually gonna pound these out to actually make them a little bit bigger. All right, you guys, as you can see, the chicken is actually, I had to pound out some pieces to make them look like patties, because they went in looking like chicken tenders. I know y'all ain't want that. So now, as you can see here, I have a little assembly line. So here I have regular flour. This is how, and the order I speak them in will be the same order that they're transported in as well. So I have regular flour. I have a wet batter. I don't really look all that pretty like it do at the job, but gotta go with we at the house. And I have a seasoned batter as well. So now I will be first. All right, y'all. Now first we're gonna start in the regular flour. And when you're doing this, you gotta make sure everything is actually every piece all around has to get touched. Even though it's going into multiple things, you kind of want to even coat like this here. And then you'll take it into the wet batter, which consists of eggs and canned milk actually. So you put that in there, nice and coated like this here. Then you stick it in the seasoned batter. And now my seasoned batter, it consists of, see, I'm gonna sit real quick. It consists of paprika. Now for our seasoned batter, we use, of course, all-purpose flour. We use a little bit of granulated garlic. I'm trying to read backwards. I ain't got no good sense. Granulated onion powder. Seasoned salt, black pepper, and just a little bit of a kick, just a little kick. We got some paprika, and we have a little dash of cayenne pepper, just a little bit. Because if you overpower, you got a spicy sandwich, which is still fine. Because who don't love a spicy chicken sandwich? Hey,
Me?
Anybody asked you? Talking to the viewers. Now, if you come over here where I'm at, I'm now going in with I'm putting the chicken breast in the seasoned batter. You want to get it real nice and coated. You want to get it all evenly coated. And then after that is when you go ahead and drop it in your grease. All right, and then you just continue the process. Alrighty, so now we're gonna flip over our first batch. The first one in our first batch. Ooh, look at that. And actually, we're gonna do a double flip once we get both sides done, so we want them just a little extra crispy. Come on, son. And then you let them cook on the other side. So now while they're cooking, we're gonna prep the second batch. It's the same assembly line. So now we've double flipped. We want them a little extra crispy. There's nothing wrong with having them a little extra crispy. And over here, we've already prepared our next batch. So from there, go in, bada boom, bada bang, chicken is done. Then it's gonna get to the good part. You need some cheese. You need your cheese, man. Usually at work we use Monterey Jack, but today, since we're not at work, we're at the house, we're gonna go with mozzarella. And we have our bacon, which is gonna go under the cheese, which I'll go into depth more when we start to build. And wait a minute. And then last but not least, you need some ranch. You can't make a JBR without ranch. We got the Hidden Valley ranch. Can't make a JBR without ranch. So voila. Voila. Oh, can't forget these Texas size buns. All right, now we are going. Just drop a little bit. Kind of switch it around a little bit. So these are pretty big. These are bigger buns than I'm used to. So you gotta kind of move it around a little bit. Get that real nice and crispy look to them. Rub them around, lather it up. Just lather it up real quick. Excuse me. It's something I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show y'all something real. I'm gonna show you something real nice. All right, y'all. Your boy is back. Your boy is back. So this is taking a little longer than expected. Just a little longer. Just a little longer. So here's what we're gonna do. First things first. You need a little small cup of water. Just a little small cup. You don't need that much water. So for this little method, you're gonna need a little cup of water and a little foil pan. Now, to avoid your buns getting all messed up. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at. You know what? Look, I can't even do it no more. I can't even look. Man, see, y'all gotta stop this video. I'm telling you, you gotta stop this video. Here's what we're gonna do. So you gotta be quick. You gotta be quick. Me, I'm quick, but I'm not real quick. But you gotta be real quick to do this. Wasn't real quick. It was quick enough. Now what it's doing is it's providing us up like a little dome. So, you know, we got the smoke rising up to it, and then the cheese is gonna melt. It's gonna melt on top of there. It's gonna look nice, real nice. It's a little hot here. Alright, you guys. So now that the cheese is all melted, we're gonna build this thing. Some nice size one right here. Stick that on there. Then you get your ranch. Now, the object is not to go too crazy with the ranch, even though it is a JBR. Alrighty. So now. Here. Now, all you're gonna do is he's gonna drizzle. He's gonna drizzle. And voila! You have yourself a JBR Chicken Sandwich. As you can see, nice little even coat. Everything's good. You got yourself a full sandwich, baby. Paprika.
It's okay. It's alright, Mark. Hello, YouTube. It is me, Curtis, the producer, and welcome back to another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Today, we are making chicken sandwiches, but it's not me who's making it. I wish I was making it, but it's not me. It's my older brother, Marcellus, who you saw in the intro.
You dig? How y'all doing? My name is Marcellus, and I am. Jesus Christ! Turn it off. Turn it off.